Hey friends, if you wish to know more about wireless charging, then please watch this video. Now, here's the thing. I'll tell you what a wireless charger is. First of all, I'll show you a picture. So, this is what a wireless charger looks like. Okay, this is one example. This is one of the MagSafe chargers. Okay, now I'll tell you the concept behind it. This is what a MagSafe charger looks like. Okay, so they do not charge as fast as a typical wired charger. Maybe you can say one third the speed, but it is still very convenient because you must have noticed that when you are traveling, when you're on the go, connecting a wired charger is a task. It's not that easy. And with the wireless charger, the better part is that you can keep it connected all the time, and it sticks to your phone just like behind it, and you don't need to move it much. So when it's stuck in that manner, like this MagSafe charger and all, this won't be much of a problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.